Subway service. Yeah, Subway service. So the game's loading right now, as you see. So now we're going to play. Oh, yep, it's low. Oh, looks like they have some new characters. Okay. I used to play Subway Surfers when I was just little, like 5 years old. Play this game in 5 years old. I used to go to my little tablet, Subway Surfers. Now I'm 9. Or should I include 10? Because I am turning 10 in a month. Let's include that. I guess. But still counts because oh, it said 6-7 for a second. 6-7. Oh, it's almost uploaded. Oh, it's not that loud. Alright. Yep. That's the one. There we go. Have I ever seen a guy spraying in the train? Have I ever seen a freaking police officer? Hey. Jump! I clicked the jump button! Jump. And down. Down. Yo, literally every single short and TikTok and YouTube and Roblox and the Roblox game and now it has Subway Surfers. Oh, what's this? That's cool. Yo! Oh my days! Oh, I just gotta get knocked. My days. What was that? Another train? Is this even allowed? Is this even allowed? Is this game even allowed to be for children? Oh no, I'm trapped! Oh! You just knocked that train over. Oh, where are we collecting so many coins? I don't want coins. I want $1 million. Good. Down. Oh my days! Why is there moving trains? Ah! Let me collect my money! Stop! Thanks. What is this? Oh, it's that good thing again. Oh, that. Wait. Yo, I'm literally lagging so hard right now because my iPhone hates me. There's a friggin' dog barking at me. Oh, my high score is 14,000. That's actually cool. Okay. I jumped 5 times. But that's surprising, and that's surprising in the game. I never jump 5 times. Only jumping once. Get away, you stupid police officer. Right. Most of my videos will be just only mobile games from the App Store. Yeah. Because I am starting to not know what Roblox games should I play now. So guys, let me know which Roblox game should I play next, or mobile game in the App Store. I mean, I should play Five Nights at Freddy's again. I should play FNAF, but I don't want to play. But remember the time when I was actually terrified, and I'm terrified of a moving train. Oh, I almost got knocked. I'm dizzy now. Oh, I'm so dizzy. There's a freaking door. Jump! Oh, he got knocked. Bro just got knocked. For nothing. Ah. moving. Stop it, moving trains. I thought it was the click button, so that's why I accidentally just clicked that. Ad. What's our ad for today? Huh? What's our ad for today? Hey, Block Blast! Yeah, I like... This game is so popular. Alright. Make sure to check out Block Blast, guys. It's saying it's super fun, but I have not played it before. Crap. I'm not buying it though. 50 million downloads, what the hell? How does it have that much downloads? What the hell? What the hell? What is this doing? Yo, did you guys like 2025? I miss 2025. It was when all of the good videos were here back in the day. You remove all these. Should I play Hello Neighbor in my next video? Should I play Hello Neighbor in my next video? That's why, and that's why I just downloaded it. Write in the comments below. Right. Right, Mr. Phone, you're done charging. And the record's probably gonna be turned off because it thinks that I'm gonna turn the record off, even though I'm not even done yet. This game is actually pretty fun. I have IDK. Hi, I'm not playing this game yet. I have IDK, and there's also some Disney movie ads, like when I was watching when I was watching Tegan, my sister, playing that game. I saw a movie, Elemental, for some reason. Right, we get it. He's jumping 2 times! That's cheating! No, right. Oh no, top runs. Jump! Oh! Almost got hit by a train. No, oh, I know why the trains are moving and trying to kill me. Because I was painting on the train. Oh, I didn't know that. Poker stick. Yo, wait, I'm gonna need, oh! I should just click that paint thing. And then you pass. Oh, at least I was there. I was over here. Let's go. Jump! No! Oh my god! Even the dog got knocked, huh? Even the dog got knocked. Snake Clash. This game is original, I guess. FIDK High, we call this game. Whee! Oh. I'm eating you. No, you're not eating me. I'm not great. I just say, do you want to buy this game for free? Let's just watch myself playing the game. Oh, I got knocked. Oh, I just ate his tail. Okay, I was just going under bottom. Everyone is passing me for no reason. Oh my days. Stop. Oh, yes! Aha! I got a kill. Oh, someone killed someone. And then they might kill me. Run! Ah! Run for your life! Before someone kills you. Oh, I'm killing him then. Run! 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 Yum nom nom. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Banana phone. Oh. Bro just got knocked. Right. I'm done watching Snake Clash videos. Right. Oh, we're back in again. Yes. Haha. Looks like I cheated. I'm such a cheater. I'm collecting so many cash. I'm rich. Jump. Oh, the bro just got knocked. I thought I was about to die because I did that. Moving train. No. I'm just trying to collect my money. No. Oh, that was close. I thought I was gonna go to heaven. No! I died! Oh, I need these. I need these shoes. I need the 1, 2, put my shoe, 3, 4, put some more, 5, 6, 9, kick. Oh wait, no. First ad was Block Blast. Second ad was a game a bunch of snakes eating. Now there's a burger. Fart in rainbow. What the hell? What is this game? What was that game? Now we have a burger farting rainbow. What the hell? That's disgusting. And now we have other people farting. This guy's farting purple. This guy's farting blue. This guy's farting green. And this guy is farting orange or yellow. I'm colorblind. I'm colorblind because the orange and the yellow. Like, come on, why would you just... Why does it... There we go, we're back in the game and we're gonna be refreshed. Yo, look at us. We're bouncing. Bounce. Oh, he just got knocked for sure. Jump. Oh no, I don't have my jump thing no more. I need the money! Stop! Loser! There we go. Stop! I'm gonna die. Go! Oh, I just got jumped to. I jumped to 2. Jump! I gotta collect all the money. I'm gonna be. Ow! Stop barking at me, you freaking dog! Alright, I'm done with this dog. That's the end of the video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!